Hi there, this is Juan with LGG Media, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a new user inside of your business manager. So what you're going to do is head over to the business manager of your choice, select it up here. If you don't know where you are, go to business.facebook.com/settings. It will take you to the page that looks like this. Then you're going to go to users, head over to people, add the user, type in their email, and then click it, and then select the role that the person has to have in your business. If you want someone to be a full administrator, you would click on this, click on next, give them access to you can give them access to any specific pages here or add accounts. And oh yeah, make sure you click on the control on the right hand side. And then you would go ahead and send over an invite. Once you click that, it's going to send them an email saying that we are inviting them to join our business manager. And once they get that, they'll have to accept it, log on to their Facebook. And once they do all that, they'll be able to log on to your account and manage every single one of your assets inside of your business manager. That's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'd be more than happy to answer. Thank you.